students who have given their exams in July 21. It's already been 2 days, and I'm sure you guys must be having a very different kind of a feeling which you've not experienced in a long part of your life. And I know that you've been relishing this moment, and you do deserve this. There's no doubt about it. And you should also. But this video is basically meant for those students जिनको 2 दिन बाद ही ऐसे लगने लगा है कि यार अब करें क्या? Hello everyone. Finally our July 21 exams are over, and this time giving exams in itself was a big achievement. Every time it is, but then this time the circumstances made it even more challenging. However, 2 दिन हो चुके हैं अब एग्जाम दिए हुए, और हो सकता है कई सारी ख्वाहिशें आपकी रही होंगी एग्जाम के बाद की कि इतना सोऊंगा और अब नींद ही नहीं आ रही है, इतनी सीरीज देखूंगा पर अब इच्छा ही नहीं हो रही है. नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. हमारी अभी बहुत सारी इच्छाएं बाकी है. घूमने फिरने जाना है, पार्टी शार्टी करना है, सब चल रहा है. पर मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि सीए में एक सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनको 2 दिन बाद ही अंदर से एक ऐसी फीलिंग आने लग गई कि यार करें क्या. लंबे समय से लाइफ में ऐसे मौके ही नहीं मिले दैट वी आर गोइंग टू बेड विदाउट हैविंग अ शेड्यूल फॉर टुमारो इन माइंड. और ऐसे लोगों के लिए वी थॉट दैट वी विल ब्रिंग इन समथिंग व्हिच कैन बी अ लिटिल एंगेजिंग. At the same point of time, it could be a little value adding, and at the same point of time, it could be something which could be fun. And this is all combined together and brought to you under Gyan Pralay 2.0, the Talent Springboard. We started this concept a couple of years ago, जहाँ पे हमने उस समय स्टूडेंट से इन्वाइट की उनकी एप्लीकेशंस in their interest area, like content writing, like public speaking, like research, like book writing, and so many other things. और हमने बोला है आपका इंटरेस्ट तो अप्लाई करिए, एक फॉर्म भरिए. स्क्रीन किया, उसके बेसिस पे कुछ लोगों को हमने सिलेक्ट किया. हमने उन्हें कोई प्रोजेक्ट दिया, उन्होंने वो प्रोजेक्ट में एंगेज करके अपने आप को उसमें इन्वॉल्व करके कुछ काम किया. Doing that, there was a lot of back and forth which happened with them, our team, and the experts which were there. And this whole thing ended up as a very learning experience. A lot of them ended up realizing that I never knew that I had these kind of content writing skills. In fact, I did had those kind of presentation skills, but after doing this, I really understood that these are the fine prints or the points which really can make a lot of difference. It was such a different scenario working with a team, with a group of people, coordinating with each other, understanding the group dynamics and stuff like that. तो ये लर्निंग हमको मिली ज्ञान प्रलय फर्स्ट वर्जन जो हम 2 साल पहले लेकर आए थे. एंड वी थॉट कि लेट्स ब्रिंग दिस टाइम अगेन एंड लेट्स मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर डिफरेंट दिस टाइम, बिकॉज दिस टाइम वी आर डूइंग इट थ्रू कोलैबोरेटिव मेथड. लेट मी गिव यू अ ब्रीफ बैकग्राउंड अबाउट इट. What is this Gyan Pralay 2.0? Before that, whom is it meant for? It is meant for anybody who's given their exams now and has no exams planned as of now for November 21 or May 22. Any other student can apply. CA freshers also, if they have some spare time which they want to take out and get involved into certain heart-fulfilling, enriching activities, they can also apply. ये वो लोग हैं जिनको थक के ही सुकून मिलता है, ये उनके लिए है. Believe me, this is nothing to do with the CA course or the CA exams, but it is very much to do with you and your talents. So let me give you certain areas where Gyan Pralay would work. Number 1, we have created a concept which we call as news dating, wherein what we are going to do is we have created a Telegram group which you can join, links in the description, named as Fast Collab. We will give you a list of activities which you can involve for, which will include activities like involving in public speaking, presentations, podcast with SJ, doing some kind of a research, engaging yourself in a practical exposure gathering exercise, which we call it as beyond 11 to 6 articleship timings, involving in content writing, being a part of the FAST content development team, FAST test series, or a faculty member. Or it could be sharing a startup idea which you want to kind of execute it jointly with us, provided it is relating to the education sector, stuff like that. Let me take an illustration for it. We have a program which we call as news dating in this. What do we do in this news dating project? We create a news a day. So every date, see students को ऐसे ही कहाँ date मिलती है? नहीं सर ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है आप बताइए मुझे कितनों को मिली है. So every day what you do is, so we give you subscriptions for Economic Time, Business Line, Economist, Bloomberg, Wall Street. You scan through all the news, identify a news which is good to know and meaningful, create a short content or an analysis of it, share it with us. We give you our own inputs into it. I think in a week, 10 days time, you are on your own, and then on a daily basis, you are able to prepare it on your own. ये न्यूज हम शोकेस करेंगे अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे. If you have good set of people involved into this, because this is collaborative learning, how that happens, I'll share that also with you. We create a newsletter for it. If this works well, maybe after a fortnight, we start up a podcast wherein you and me together do a podcast on any one of these events or a combination of multiple news events. Similarly, we have a research project wherein we give you certain annual reports, you study, you create a case study out of it, and then we kind of showcase that particular case study and we prepare questions from it which are relating to say Ind-AS implementation or say an audit fraud. We share this with other set of students, they participate through polls and quizzes onto it, and then we go live and we discuss it with them. Very meaningful, very enriching, something which is like a college going activity. क्योंकि होता है ना कॉलेजेस में ये सारी चीजें आप देखते हैं, तो दिस इज ऑल समथिंग व्हिच हैपेंस वेरी वेरी ऑफनली इन अ बी स्कूल. We don't get a chance possibly to get into a B school, so why not create our own C commerce school and do such activities at least in this interim time duration, the gap which we have. Let's make the most of it. So what we do is, ये जो project है, say getting these particular news and then kind of posting it and then kind of displaying it and then creating a podcast of it. How does this works? Telegram group mein we will share the list of activities. You can find the details there. You can select one or more options among those list of activities where you are interested to apply, and then you have to answer certain questions. We will then screen those answers, identify what is your real interest area, and accordingly we will from them allot you certain projects into some of those options which you have selected. You accept these projects and then we give you some do's and don'ts, some induction into it. And this time in Gyanpalai 2.0, we don't allow you to do this with us individually, but this happens in a group. तो हम क्या करेंगे, कोलैबोरेशन होगा, एक पूरी सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, वो लोग आपस में उस एक्टिविटी को एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे. तो लेट मी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. जैसे कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बोलते हैं सर ये सब छोड़ो, अभी रिजल्ट आ जाएगा फिर प्लेसमेंट होंगे, हमको उसकी चिंता है, हमें तो उसकी तैयारी करना है. तो आप तो ये बताओ 2 महीने में मैं प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? हाउ कैन आई प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ बेटर? बिकॉज हमको ये चीज पता है, एंड यू हैव शेयर्ड दिस समटाइम्स इन योर क्लासेस आल्सो, कि मेनी अ टाइम्स फर्स्ट सेकंड राउंड्स जो होते हैं, जो फर्स्ट सेकंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती है, उसमें इवन द रैंक होल्डर्स और any particular candidate does not perform very well because he is not possibly very well trained for handling a GD or a PI. मे बी आपकी MCS और ITT या इस तरह की जो ट्रेनिंग्स है वो आपको बहुत ही एक सरफेस लेवल का एक्सपीरियंस देती है, एंड इट इज नोवेयर मेकिंग यू सो कॉम्पिटेंट फॉर हैंडलिंग अ रियल लाइफ इंटरव्यू. And this is something which happens because, you know, we run Fast Careers, our sister concern, which is India's largest private CA placement company, the only company which conducts private CA placement campuses across the country. And we have seen this happening. So let's say, for example, for this particular case, we have basically created a GDPI training group. It's a project. Now, how does this work? The people who are interested to get some kind of a GDPI training before the results come out, then we take we enlist you into it. आप उसमें लिस्ट करिए, एज एन आप अप्लाई करिए, हम स्क्रीन करेंगे, ग्रुप बन जाएगा, फिर हम आपसे वॉलंटियर्स मांगेंगे. वॉलंटियर्स कौन होंगे? आईएम्स में क्या होता है, सारी एक्टिविटी स्टूडेंट्स मैनेज करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका कहना है कि भाई यही तो फ्यूचर मैनेजर्स हैं, तो वो क्या मैनेजर बनेगा जो यहाँ पे चीजें ही मैनेज ना कर पाए. तो आईएम में तो जो प्लेसमेंट कैंपस होता है वो भी स्टूडेंट मैनेज करता है. आईएम्स उनको पूरी अपनी कॉर्पोरेट की लिस्ट दे देता है और कहता है कि इनसे आप बात करिए, कोऑर्डिनेट करिए, नए लोगों से बात करिए, इन्हें लाइए, डेट डिसाइड करिए, किस दिन कौन क्या आएगा, हमारे ये फिक्स रूल्स हैं, ये आपको फॉलो करना है. देयर विल बी अ गाइड एंड मेंटर विल कीप ऑन असिस्टिंग यू एंड आंसर टू ऑल योर क्वेरीज, बट यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज दिस होल शो ऑन योर ओन. हियर दिस जीडीपीआई ट्रेनिंग विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड लाइक दिस. तो जो वॉलंटियर्स होंगे उनको हम एक लिस्ट ऑफ ट्रेनर्स देंगे जिनको हम जानते हैं, जो बहुत ही अच्छी ट्रेनिंग देते हैं इस तरह की. आप उनसे बात करिए, आप इन्वाइट करिए दूसरे दोस्तों से आपके एप्लीकेशन. इफ दे नो ऑफ समबडी हु इज रियली केपेबल ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग यू द वेल काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग व्हिच यू वांट, you directly speak to them, you decide on the cost, you assess what is the cost they are charging, and then you split the cost amongst the set of students who are involved into it. Obviously, Gyanpalai 2.0 has no commercial objectives involved into it. This is basically just using our time and potential to do something which at the end of it, A, makes us better today than we were yesterday, and gives us a sign of relief and a sign of self-satisfaction of doing something, basically adding value to ourselves. तो इस तरह से आप बढ़िया अपना प्रोजेक्ट बनाइए, पूरे समय हम आपको गाइड करेंगे, आपकी ट्रेनिंग एग्जीक्यूट होगी, यू टेक दोस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेनिंग्स, विल बी बेटर ऑफ. इस तरह से ये सारा का सारा प्रोग्राम रन किया जाएगा और अल्टीमेटली इस पूरे प्रोग्राम में एंगेज होके, इन्वॉल्व होके आपको फायदा क्या मिलने वाला है. हो सकता है पॉसिबली इससे एंगेज होके यू एंड अप लर्निंग अ न्यू स्किल, possibly you end up identifying certain hidden talent of yours, bringing them to surface, and knowing that, okay, this is also something which I can do in my spare time and this really gives me a sense of satisfaction. Or at the end of it, it could also give you something which can become possibly a career choice for you down the line. Something similar to what happened with me when I chose my teaching career. It all started as a vocational part-time side-by-side activity of taking presentations while I was studying in my CA final. Eventually understanding that this is something possibly the only thing which I can possibly, I think, do well. तो दोस्तों इसी उम्मीद के साथ कि Gyanpalai 2.0 will become the talent springboard for you guys, I invite everybody interested to please come and join this Telegram group of Fast Collab, links in the description box, and let's make something which is really, really value enriching, something which really helps us to achieve those kind of heights, that satisfaction and a smile on our face which we want, and to better utilize our times. Thank you so much.